Welcome back, traders. Today I'm introducing you to a powerful boom and crash auto trading robot combined with a smart Forex AI trading system designed to take your trading to the next level. This advanced AI robot analyzes market trends in real time, detects volatility spikes, and executes trades with precision on boom and crash indices as well as major Forex pairs. Whether it's identifying strong uptrends, downtrends, or sideways markets, this system adapts instantly to maximize profit opportunities while managing risk. The best part? It works 24/7 without emotions, helping both beginners and professionals grow their accounts consistently. I personally started with a small balance, and with proper compounding and discipline, the results speak for themselves. If you're serious about automated trading and want to earn smart, not hard, when this AI trading robot could be your game changer. Join now and start your journey toward financial freedom.